everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a pick and mix samples unboxing. For those of you who don't know, this is a service offered by the website Feel Unique, where once a month you can log on to their website and choose from an array of different samples, be it hair care, skincare, makeup and perfume samples, and each month you can select 5 different samples and all you need to pay is the cost of the shipping, which is £3.95. When you get your email confirming dispatch of your samples, you will also get an email providing you with a gift voucher in reimbursement of your £3.95. This can then be spent on anything on the Feel Unique website. There are no restrictions on this. They do also have another service which has only been available for the past few months, and that is the beauty kit. And this is a similar concept in which you can pick 5 different items, but these are more luxury samples or travel size, but this one does cost £12.90 plus that £3.95 shipping that you get back. At the point I'm filming this, I have actually just ordered another beauty kit. I do get the pick and mix samples every month, but with the beauty kit I tend to only order that if something catches my eye. Stay tuned for a beauty kit unboxing coming shortly. The way I do my pick and mix samples unboxings is I will first of all go over the samples that I tried last month and give you my thoughts, and then I will show you the samples that I chose this month. So why don't we get started? So first of all we have this eye cream, and this is from the brand Madara and is their SOS Eye Revive Hydra Cream and Mask. This is a really nice eye cream. I have tried quite a few eye creams from the service in the past few months and a lot of them have just kind of been okay, whereas this one I really enjoyed. So I have tried something from this line before, the SOS line. I think the last thing that I tried was an overnight mask and I really enjoyed that. This does have a similar sort of consistency and a similar scent. It does soak into the skin really nicely and leaves it kind of instantly refreshed, and then the next day under my eyes it still feels soft. I did really enjoy this and made sure that I got every last drop out of it. I did try actually another eye cream from Madara the previous month and I just didn't like that at all, so I say I definitely was impressed with this one and generally the things that I have tried from the SOS brand. So this is one that is on my radar to potentially purchase in the future, although I do have a few eye creams on the go at the moment, but this one was a hit. Then I had this hair product from Revlon. This is the Unique One Coconut Hair Treatment. I do generally like things that are coconut scented, but I wasn't a massive fan of the scent of this. This was a kind of burnt coconut sort of scent. It just wasn't the nicest. As to the product itself, it is a nice product. It does have a nice little spray on it. You do get a decent amount of product that's not too much and you are then able to sort of comb it through quite easily. When I looked this one up, because there isn't very much information on here, it does say it's a spray-in mask conditioner, and I did feel like it did condition my hair, but no more than other sprays that I've tried. I do naturally have quite dry frizzy hair and I didn't feel like it did anything to kind of help the frizz, and if anything it was a little bit more frizzy just using this and not my normal frizz control products. So even though it did feel like it was a bit hydrating, I don't think it's enough for my kind of dry frizzy hair. But I don't believe this was an overly expensive product, so if you are looking for a hydrating leave-in spray conditioner, then this one might be worth a go. It just didn't personally work for me, but I'm glad I did get to try it. Then we had this day cream from Lumene, I think that's how I say it, or Lumen, and this is the Arctic Hydra Care Day Cream. This is another product that I did really enjoy. I was very happy that it did come in quite a generous sized pot. I think this is 15ml, so it does have a lot of product in here. I did use this quite a lot throughout the course of the month and it doesn't even look like I've made a dent in the pot. A little of this goes a long way, which I do really enjoy about it. I have only recently been getting into day creams because of working from home and not applying makeup in the day. I'm quite happy to put skincare on. I know I can put both skincare and makeup on, but in normal times going to work I didn't have enough time for that, whereas now the time I would have taken to do my makeup I'm now choosing to put skincare on instead, seeing as I am just at home. I have tried quite a few day creams recently and I think this one has been my favourite. I believe the full size of this was I think about £30, so it's not overly expensive, but I don't know if I would necessarily repurchase it because I am only applying day creams while I'm working from home and I don't think that's going to be something that's forever. I do believe I am going to be back in the office at least a few days a week, sort of in the next month or so. So it's not something I would repurchase, but it is definitely a product that I enjoyed. and should the need for a day cream ever come about, this one would be the first one on my list. So I do really like it, and I am looking forward to using the rest of this one up. Next we had this duo shampoo and conditioner from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Joa Strengthening and Smoothing Shampoo. I was so excited to try this product. I am absolutely obsessed with anything that smells like the original Boom Boom cream, which this does. And that's where my love of this product kind of ended. The shampoo and conditioner are both 10ml each, but for me 10ml isn't really enough to fully test a shampoo. I barely got one use out of this. I have tried other shampoos in the past where 10ml has just about been enough, but for this I went in with just over half for my first shampoo and rinse, and I just could not get a lather, so I ended up emptying the whole sachet into my hand for the first wash to do the kind of lather, rinse, repeat, which always makes me think of Friends. I'm sure that's something Phoebe says at some point in the series. But with this, there just wasn't any lather. I say, even though I emptied the full sachet, literally squeezed every last drop out of it, it just still wasn't enough to get it to lather. And I do have quite long hair, so maybe if you've got shorter hair this would be enough to sample it, but my hair is long and thick, so I just couldn't fully test it. I don't think it's quite fair on the product because I don't think I had enough of it to test it, but from what I tried I just couldn't get a lather on it, and because I couldn't lather it up properly, and then once I'd rinsed the shampoo out, my hair just didn't feel clean. So I did actually end up going over it for the second wash with my normal shampoo, which kind of defeated the object, and then I was unable to test how it came out once I dried and straightened it and things, because I'd used my own shampoo on top of it. So this was a bit of a dud, but it may not be the product, it may just be that there wasn't enough in the sample for the length of my hair. For the conditioner, because I do only tend to kind of condition from here downwards, I was able to get a couple of uses out of this sachet. I think overall I got 3 uses out of it, and it is a nice conditioner and it did leave my hair feeling nice and soft, and obviously I loved the smell of it. I don't feel like it was anything kind of groundbreaking with regards to conditioner. My hair didn't feel much smoother than the product that I'm currently using, which is one from Avon, and I think was under £5, whereas I believe the full size of this conditioner is about 20 something pounds. I think it's 22. So it's not a product I will be rushing out to purchase, but I am a bit disappointed that it didn't work for me as I thought it would do. And then the final product I tried was this from Erno Laszlo. This is the White Marble Translucence Cream. I had tried an Erno Laszlo cream in the previous month and I had really liked that, but this one I liked so much more. I believe full size this one was well over £100, and I can kind of see why. My skin after using this felt so soft, supple and hydrated. I just felt really pampered, and even the next day I found that when I was putting any skincare or makeup on, it did just apply that much better because my skin had kind of had a refresh. I didn't use it many kind of consecutive nights. I did sort of use it once or twice a week over the course of the month, and I just felt like it gave my skin a kind of new lease of life. I did mark a tally on the back of how many times I actually used this because it was only 2ml, but I was intrigued as to how many uses I could get out of it, especially because I didn't need the largest amount of product at all. I wasn't going in with the thickest layer, but I didn't feel like I needed that, and I've marked on the back that I did actually get 7 uses out of this small sachet. I was really impressed by that. Am I going to go out and spend 100 and whatever it was on this cream? I can't see me doing so in the immediate future, but it is one that I did really enjoy using, and would be one that when I come to pick my samples over the coming months, if I'm struggling to pick something, I would be quite tempted to just pick another one of these up just to kind of give my skin that refresh for 1 month again. But I was really impressed, and if you are more than happy spending over £100 on a night cream, I would give it a go. So that's the samples that I tried last month. I will now show you the items that I've picked for this month. The first one is from this brand Allergenist, I think that's how you say it. This is the Genius Collagen Calming Relief. I'm not too sure what this one does. It doesn't say very much on the back other than apply to clean skin every morning and evening to help soothe and hydrate the skin. I don't know if this is a moisturiser or a serum. I'm thinking more of a serum. I'm keen to see what this one's like. I've not tried anything from this brand before, and I was really intrigued with the collagen calming relief. So the full size of this is £55 for 40ml, and this is just a 1ml sachet, so I work out that this is worth £1.38. The next thing I picked up is from the brand Saturday Skin, and this is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I have seen quite a few things about this brand online recently. I think they haven't long kind of come to the UK. I've not heard too much about the actual products themselves, so when I seen I could try a sample of one of them, I thought I would give it a go. So the full size of this is £31 for 50ml. So this is a 2ml sample, and I work out this is worth £1.24. So I'm keen to see what this one's like. Then we have this from the brand Antipodes. I think that's how I say it. This is the Manuka Honey Skin Brightening Light Day Cream. So because I enjoyed that one from Lumine or Lumen, wherever it is, I thought I would try another day cream because I don't think it's too much longer before I am back in the office, so I don't want to purchase a new full-size day cream, but I still want to have ones to use until I go back, so that's why I picked up another sample. This one says it contains bee venom, Venanza grape and kiwi, so I am really intrigued by this, and on the back it says restore a light and fresh visage with this bioactive day cream. Bee venom and Manuka black fern provide a gentle lifting effect. World famous Manuka honey, renowned for its health benefits, helps to address any skin blemishes. Revolutionary Venanza antioxidants from grape seeds and kiwi fruit work with peony flower for the ultimate skin bright finish, suited to most skin conditions, especially oily. So yeah, I am really intrigued by this, and I'm also really intrigued as to how this is going to actually smell. I'm hoping, even though the main thing seems to be the Manuka honey, that it doesn't smell too heavily of honey, because I don't like the scent of honey things. I love artificial honey things, but anything that's actually naturally honey scented I'm not a massive fan of, so I'm hoping it kind of smells more of grape, kiwi and whatever bee venom possibly smells like. And it did say peony flower as well, so maybe, say, I'm not too sure what this combination is going to smell like, but I'm really intrigued, and say I want another day cream, so I thought I would try this one. So the full size of this is £39.99, which is for 60ml. So this is a 5ml sample, so I work out that this is worth £3.33. Then I picked up this little trio from Bare Minerals. This is from their Poreless line, which I believe is one of their latest lines. I've never tried any Bare Minerals skincare, only their makeup, so I'm intrigued to see what this one's like. So it comes with 3 little sachets. We have a cleanser, exfoliator and then a moisturiser. So it says here, this clean 3-step regime is rich in exfoliating superfruit acids and nutrient-packed prebiotics to help minimise the appearance of pores, reduce excess oil, shine and keep hydrated. I don't overly suffer from enlarged pores, but I was intrigued to just generally try Bare Minerals skincare, so that's why I thought I'd give this one a go. And I had read that it did say about hydration as well, which should kind of fit my skin. To work out the value of this one was quite difficult because each of these 3 products is priced differently. It said online that this was a 3ml sample, so I've taken it that each one of these little pouches is 1ml each, but I've had to write down the values of these. So the cleanser at the top here, the full size is 120ml for £20. So I work out that this one is 17p. Then we have the exfoliating essence, which is 150ml for £22. So I work out that this is 15p. And then at the bottom we have the moisturiser, which is 50ml for £33. So I work out that this is worth 66p. So all in all, 3 samples are worth 98p. But like I said, I'm keen to give this one a go because I've not tried anything from Bare Minerals skincare. And then the final sample is from this brand Colorstar. So this is the Sublime Black Precious Cream. It says here, a high-tech formula with precious ingredients for unprecedented effectiveness. Luxuriant and ultra smooth, this cream sublimes your face with a spectacular light effect that revitalizes the skin. The action of its active ingredient is quick and extraordinary, protecting and moisturising black orchid extract, regenerating and firming white gardenia stem cells, brightening and revitalising hydrolyzed black pearl and carnosine, I think that is, an ingredient that has a powerful repairing, antioxidant and detoxifying effect. It is supposed to visibly improve skin quality, less sagging and slackening on the face and neck, wrinkles and other signs of ageing are reduced, and incredibly bright complexion. This appears to be yes, Italian, made in Italy, an Italian product. So the actual what it does and things is written in Italian in the top. So what I've just read is a pretty bad translation of the Italian words, but I'm keen to give it a go. I don't think I've heard of this brand before other than seeing it in the samples. So the full size of this is £64.50 for 50ml. This is a 3ml sample, so I work out that this is worth £3.87. So these are the 5 samples that I've got this month. They are all sachets, which I'm not a massive fan of. I do more like the things that kind of come in pots or squeezy tubes or things, but they are all samples, unfortunately. I'm going to be doing a lot of kind of propping up of these while I try them throughout the course of the month. I did tot up what I think is the value for all 5 samples, and it came to £10.80. I believe last month's was about £20, so it's kind of half the price of that. But I'm keen to see what all these products are like, and actually I don't think I've tried anything from any of the brands. Again, Bare Minerals, I've tried the makeup but not their skincare, so I think these are all new brands for me to try, which is quite exciting. But that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.